Maplewood Fire South Station, 600 McKnight Road North. And they also have a police station substation in here. So anyway, welcome to Blue Sharp's 59 channel. I'm going to give you guys a tour of the open house at the fire hall. Do a 360 for you. All their trucks. Got the trucks. We got the police car set up. Maplewood. They use the SUVs here. A little bit of room in the back. Not too bad. They have 4 bays here. I see they have airlines coming down for tires and stuff. 2 ambulances here. There's one. And the state patrol over there. Minnesota State Patrol on display. There's the other fire truck or ambulance. Wonder what looks like inside of an ambulance. Here you go. Lights with a gurney, whatever you call that thing. Got a little bench over there. All the supplies over there in the corner. Another view. There you go. There's all life support stuff up there. Got oxygen on hand on the cart. I got everything in here. All the gear. This is a classic almost, a brush truck, huh? Mm-hmm. Was it 90s or?
Yeah, yeah, it's 90s.
90s, yeah. Look at it, it's in good shape.
It's very good shape, yeah.
4x4.
It's only got 27,000 miles.
That's it, 27,000 miles, huh? There's the other side of the building. See the fire hose right there? They said that. How much pressure are you guys putting in the fire hose? A full. When you guys put out fires, how much is in there?
130.
130 psi.
Yeah,
Wow.
it turns into being about 80 at the tip.
80 at the tip, huh? Wow, that's.
You lose pressure throughout the hose.
Yeah, I suppose you do. And you got the table for the kids for drawings and stuff, and free gifts. You guys for saving lives and putting your lives on the line.
Oh, thank you.
Maplewood fire guys right here. So what's above up there now?
That's our mezzanine. We have extra storage.
Okay.
Basically, it's just extra.
Yeah, there's all the uniforms. You can hang them up. Dispatch area, the offices. There you go. Oh, this is where you get the calls and stuff. Call center. Pretty cool. Wow, look at it, nice. You guys got it set up good. Got the big TV up there. That's your monitors, right?
Yeah, it's our CAD. So when we have calls, they'll show up on there and we can see whatever information we need.
Oh, cool. All right. Where the living quarters are, that's where you sleep. So you gotta sleep. I mean, you just gotta rest. And you got the exercise room, keep the guys in shape. Wow, you guys, that's some nice equipment. That's good. I like that. You guys are all cooking up a storm in here. And you got this is what the your lounge area. Very nice, you guys. You guys deserve every nice building you can get. There's another little office. There you go. Cool. What's out here now?
So down here we have our conference room.
Oh, okay. Like free. You guys have free shots for COVID here, and it's free.
It's not only free, but if you're getting your first or second shot, we're going to give you a $50 gift card.
Oh, cool! Wow.
As an incentive to get vaccinated.
And that's through the state of Minnesota, or is it county?
That's through federal funding. So
Through federal funding?
the one we have is coming through Ramsey County Public Health,
okay,
who
okay.
we work for.
All right.
But the Minnesota Department of Health and the state are also
So
offering.
they can look you guys up online to get for more information.
Yeah, I'll give you my card.
Okay, all right.
And our website is available. This is actually the resources right here.
Okay.
There's a
I'll
phone
put a
number to
link.
call.
I'll put a link in there.
Yep, and
Description.
then our website's on there.
All right, guys. Peace from Blue Shark 59's channel. Please like and share. And support your local firemen and give them a high five because they do a lot for us, saving lives and putting their lives on the line.